Today I'm going to show you how I make a bookmark. So I have here a small piece of handmade paper and I'm going to cut just a little portion of it, and I'm going to add a glue and paste it on this rectangular pre-shaped soft cardboard paper that has already been pre-cut into the shape of a bookmark. So I'm going to paste the handmade paper on the left portion of this bookmark, and then I'm going to add this washi tape with a polka dot design. I'm just going to add a small length on the right side of this rectangular bookmark paper. And then the third thing I will add is this ephemera that has been shaped into an oval frame with curlicues on the side. So I'm going to use a tweezer to help put it on because it's so little. So a tweezer would be handy in making it stick further. And then this ephemera would frame this washi girl tape that I cut previously on the sides, but now I'm going to cut it close to the center or to the girl profile so that we would only have the girl to stick to the bookmark and we won't have extra stickers poking out from the curlicue frame. So the materials we need to make this bookmark are the scissors, the tweezers, and the glue, and then we need the rectangular shaped soft cardboard paper that we will use as the bookmark, and we will need several washis and handmade paper and the ephemera frame and the string, which we will put on later. So right now I'm going to cut a portion of this washi tape, the portion that has a phrase or words, which is actually a quote that we will add to the bookmark to add context to it. I am going to list the materials needed to create this bookmark on the description box, so just look in there to see what you need to create a bookmark like this. So I actually create a lot of bookmarks because I find myself running out of bookmarks because sometimes I read several books at one time. That's why I love creating bookmarks. So right now I finally cut the phrase sticker from the washi, and then I'm going to stick it in on the bottom of the bookmark. It's really so small, so we really need the tweezer to help put it in. And then most of the time I also use the tweezer, the bottom of the tweezer, to help stick the stickers, to make them stick further. And then I have here a small piece of flower sticker that actually is a part of a bigger washi. So I'm putting it on the upper left side of the bookmark. And again, I'm using the tweezer to make it stick further. And then there are actually two of them. So this is the second one. It's also a flower sticker that I cut from the same washi tape, from a bigger washi tape. And I'm going to put that in on the lower left side of the bookmark to add as decoration. Then the next thing we have here is a wax seal that is shaped into a cherry blossom. This is actually made of wax seal. This cherry blossom in pink, and I'm going to add it on the upper right hand of the bookmark. And then we're ready to add our string. This is actually the last step, and adding that in. And this is a silk string, a very pretty one actually. And then we're almost done. When the string is in, then we're almost done. So I would like to thank you all for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like and share, and I hope you like this video. Thank you so much.